Hi and welcome back to the course. Now when I've introduced the course, I want to tell you about some ideas behind the course and why it's important for you to study organizations and learn more about them. As I said earlier, we live in a society filled with organizations and many of the problems we confront are organizational in nature. Everybody needs to understand and manage organizations if we're going to evolve as a society. In this course, you will learn a few theories on organizations so that you can start building your own personal toolbox for organizational analysis. It's my hope that this toolbox will help you grapple with the complexity of organizational life as a manager, policymaker, academic, or participant in organizations. Organizations are indeed messy and complex, and we need some conceptual frameworks to help make sense of them. For example, what should we pay attention to about organizations? What matters most? What does not matter? During our lives, we constantly enter and leave organizations. Learning a basic conceptual framework about organizations can guide us when we confront a new organization. What can we expect from it? How should we behave as a member of organizations? Another important incentive for you to learn basic organization theory is related to change. As members of our society, we have a moral obligation to future generations to improve our society, to create a more equal society for everyone to live in, to be more environmental friendly, perhaps to be more efficient with our resources. But without basic knowledge about organizations and how they function, it will be difficult to carry out change. How do organizations define the goals which they strive for? How do people decide the rules or routines for coordinating people's behavior? Organizations require resources. People participating in organizations need a salary, and the production of a product or service is often costly. How do people gather enough resources to continue the organization? Organizations have members, but how do organizations select, train, and replace their members? If organizations represent a relatively dense network of social relationships among people, how do these people handle their relationships to outsiders of this network, outside the organization? In this course, you will study basic theories about organizations and then will be encouraged to apply your knowledge on a case from a leadership perspective. You will be encouraged to learn theories, analyze a case, and practice giving advices for organizational change. So in this sense, this course provides you with basic training in organization theory and leadership. It's an introductory course, which means that you don't need any prior experience in organizational analysis or leadership. The course is designed to enrich your understanding of organizational analysis, but it will not give you a laundry list of advices. The course will give you a set of tools or ways of understanding the complex reality of organizations. Since it's a theory course, you will also have to address some basic questions concerning what's a theory and how researchers construct theories in general. This is a subject for the next session. So you will apply the theories you learn in this course to a real case. You choose the case yourself so that you have the chance to deepen your understanding of an organization that you are particularly interested in. Applying what you learn to a real case is an important practice for real life, but it will also help you to better make sense of the theories you study during the course. The structure of the course can be illustrated in this figure. The course is structured around two parts. The first part is itself structured around 3 seminars and one, in a lack of a better word, written webinar. Before and after each seminar, you have to send in a few smaller assignments. Before the seminar, you will have to do a short quiz directly related to the lectures and the course literature. You will also have to send in a short analysis on the topic for the seminar. You're expected to participate and to be active during the seminars. After the seminar, you will have to send in written comments on one of your peers' hands-ins. All the seminars will be online using Zoom. At the webinar, you will spend 3 hours before lunch writing up an assignment and 3 hours after lunch giving comments on one of your peers. At this time, it will be important for you to know the theories which we will have covered during the course. The second part of the course consists of your individual coursework. Here you will select a case, collect empirical data on the case, and analyze an organizational problem related to organizational change. It's a quite intense course and you will have to start working with the material already day one. Having said this, I really hope the course will be interesting and fun and give you valuable insights and help you to start building your own personal toolbox for organizational analysis.